Hello, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Ebony Simone. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below and join our amazing family. If you're a returning subscriber, as always, thank you so much for being here. Today we are getting into an unboxing video. We're going to be unboxing these beautiful flowers from the Bouquet Company. They are an online monthly subscription floral services. Let's go ahead and get into it. So the flowers come in this super cute box that says The Bouquet Co. Love first, flowers second, kindness always, which I thought it was really cute. So on the side, it talks about how the Bouquet Co. is different, their sustainability and reducing waste. Inside, you have your card where someone can leave you a message as well as a care card. And it also has a promo code on the back where you can save 20% on your next purchase as well. So inside it has this green paper in it where you can kind of reuse it. For me, I use it to wrap gifts in for others, but you can also use it to create this nice bouquet to present to someone else. With this being a subscription service, you can decide how often you'd like your flowers to go out, anywhere between weekly to bi-monthly. You can also choose the size of your bouquet. So this is the original, which means it includes between 10 and 16. They also have a deluxe, which you can do 20 to 30 stems. And then the largest package is their grand, which includes 30 to 45 stems. The deluxe starts at $40 and the grand starts at $65. As you can see, it comes with a bit of plant food. I also love that the packaging protects the flowers, like it has different layers to kind of make sure they're not damaged. I also love that around certain flowers that have not bloomed yet, they have little safety nets around them to kind of keep them from getting smashed or damaged. I love the colors in this arrangement. I feel like they complement each other very well, and they also just brighten up my space, kind of giving that nice spring touch. Although my bouquet did not come with a vase, they do offer 3 different types that you can choose from. If you decide to go with the subscription, you can either gift it to yourself, of course, or sending as a gift to someone else. Usually the first bouquet is a seasonal favorite, and then you can choose and customize them from there on out, or if you prefer to just let them pick out the arrangements for you, that is also an option. And this is the final look. If you're interested in trying them out, I will have my link down below where you can get 20% off. And also don't forget to activate your Rakuten for cashback. All right, we have reached the end of this video. Let me know down below in the comments if you are a plant person or if you are a flower person. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.